Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to explain what this video is about. In my channel I'm going through a series of video tutorials to show the installation of very essential tools on Linux. This is especially for the developers to save their time. But especially for this video I'm going to demonstrate how to install a USB camera or web camera to capture a video or a picture. Let's get started. First, the machine I'm using is an Ubuntu 14.04 LTS, and for installation the package we need to open the terminal, and to capture a picture the command is sudo apt-get. The name of the command or package is fs web thing I'm doing fs install. Sorry, I forgot the install fs webcam. We need a password as a root. Okay, this is installed. To capture a picture you can simply use this and use a file name, let's say is 123 JPEG or PNG, it doesn't matter. A captured video is a picture and it's done. If you make a ls to make a list, you can find also here 123 JPEG. To show that picture you can use the EOG and the file name, which is a 123, and you see also the picture. For capture video, so we have to install sudo apt-get. We have install. The package is luvcvu. Yeah. The command is lvcu, as you know. And also there is a different options I can show you in a second. Here if I run the video camera, you see the capturing the video, and there are the other options. You can change the size of the video by S. We can put a 320x to 40, and it is smaller than normal size here. Also you can search in internet and there are some options you can use for this command. In the next video I will show how to video stream between two devices, and also will write an application on my Android device to capture video from a remote camera or monitor, or also a remote desktop. You know, you can observe a remote desktop on your cell phone by writing the program and using the video streaming. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos. Hopefully you guys like it. Please subscribe and write a comment, and see you soon. Thank you.